Oi, gente, tudo bem? Today I want to talk to you about an idiom in Portuguese. It's technically two idioms, but they're very closely related. And they are pé quente and pé frio. So to say that to somebody, to say, você é pé quente, you're saying you are good luck. What it literally translates to, pé quente is hot foot, and pé frio is cold foot. So pé quente is good luck, pé frio is bad luck. And you're saying, you don't say você tem pé quente. You're not saying that you have a hot foot. You're saying you are a hot foot. Você é, you are pé quente. So my experience with this, a quick little story. The last time that we went to Rio de Janeiro to visit my husband's family, we went to Maracanã, this big stadium there, big soccer stadium, to watch the Flamengo game. My husband and his family are huge Flamengo fans, so this was like a big deal. It was the first time that he got to go to an in-person game. It was the first time that I got to go to a in-person game, and the first time I got to really wear my Flamengo jersey that I'd been collecting dust in my drawer for a couple of years. So so it was really exciting. We got to go, and the game was awesome, despite it was like really hot out. But they won. Flamengo won. I want to say it was 5-0, or it might have been 6-0, but it was a landslide. Awesome game. So all his family was so excited, and they kept saying, Amanda, você é pé quente, você é pé quente. Like saying that I'm good luck. So that was the first time I was exposed to that idiom, and it was a nice, easy one to remember, so now I've got that. Nobody has told me yet that I am pé frio, but you never know. Hopefully not. So, yes. So remember, you're saying você é pé quente. You are a hot foot. Not você tem pé quente. You have a hot foot. Or same thing for if you're trying to say bad luck, cold foot. So, in some other examples, you would say ela é pé frio. She is bad luck. Ele é pé frio. He is bad luck. And what else can I say about this? Do not change. So you're not going to say, like, pé frio is always going to be, frio is always going to be masculine because it's modifying pé. And pé is a masculine word. O pé. So it's o pé frio. So even if you're talking about a female, you're not going to say pé fria. You wouldn't do that. You're going to say pé frio still. So make sure you don't do that. And then another word I'll throw out here in case you didn't know is if you want to wish somebody good luck. This is a little kind of off topic, but still the same topic. You want to wish somebody and say, hey, good luck. Boa sorte. Boa sorte. Boa sorte com aprender português. Good luck learning Portuguese. So there's your idiom for the day. I hope that this was helpful and that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you like this video and hit subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have a question or anything you'd like to say. And we'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.